Okay, so here's all the packages. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but here's all the packages that we received. We have a total of 1 package, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 right here. Whoa. Whoa. 9. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing video of all of these packages with the exclusion of 2 packages, which is the bigger ones, which is this one. This one's the screen press, the screen printing press. I could show you guys a picture of what it is. Here's a picture. The reason why I'm not opening it is because it's just a lot of metal parts that I'm gonna have to put together, and I have to make room for it. I have my garage, but right now I currently have a poker table in there, so I have to debate if I'm going to be selling the poker table or if I'm just going to put it away for now. So I'll be doing a video on that as well. Another box I'm not gonna be opening right now is this one here, which is a flash dryer. What the flash dryer does, it dries the ink from the garment after you put the ink on the shirt using this press here. And we could start off with, let's do this one here. Let's do this little guy here. Okay. We'll use this as our chair since we're not going to be opening this one. Okay, let's open this guy up. So it's a professional black gloves. It comes with 100 gloves, and I'm going to be using this for I won't be getting paint all over my hands. It's in black just because I like black. So yeah, I forgot I ordered this. This should come in handy. The next package, nope, I'll be right back. I'm going to get my knife. Okay, so we have some Scotch masking tape. A lot of this stuff won't make sense right now until I actually put this stuff in use, but I promised an unboxing video and that's what I'm doing today. This is an Emotion. I'll also be explaining a little bit about this when I actually do the screen printing process, but the Emotion, anyways, I'll save it for later. It's this here. What is this here? It says Commercial Bargains Aluminum Silk Screen Printing Press. I don't know all these fancy words yet, so. Oh, it's a scooper. Okay, put that back. With this. Whoa. This is Emotion remover, so obviously we have the Emotion here. There's the Emotion, there's the Emotion remover. With the Emotion, you put this on the screen. With the Emotion remover, you remove the Emotion from the screen. And that's all we have in the second package. Open up this big guy here. Cut it there. Cut it there. What the heck? This is the same as the other one, but bigger. There's also a Emotion scooper to fill the screen with it. I guess I accidentally ordered 2 of them. Anyways, we'll put it to use, hopefully. We'll see. But yeah, so there's also an Emotion scooper. I know it doesn't really make sense right now, but we have the peel here. So this is a Green Galaxy Pitch Black Water-Based Paint. So this is a paint that's going to go on the actual garment. This is what's in here. Another thing I have in here is a squeegee. This is a 3-inch squeegee, and this is what you use to push the ink through the mesh screen. This is a 3-inch 70 durometer squeegee. This is what I'm going to be using for the neck labels. So that's why I got a little tiny one, but should come in handy for me. Open up the next box. It also says fragile. Get this to go. Okay. 21-step exposure calculator. Forgot about that. When I do my first exposure, I'm going to be utilizing this to try to get the exact time that I'm gonna need to get a perfect design and a perfect print on the shirts. So these should be very helpful, and I got these from screenprinting.com. Check them out. Okay, and here it is. There's another squeegee. I got a second squeegee. This one's 12 inches, and this is going to be for all the other designs I do. I'm not going to be doing any designs that are larger than 12 inches at the moment, so this squeegee should be a perfect fit for me, along with the 3-inch squeegee here. Yep, and I also got these from screenprinting.com. Moving along here, guys. Let's go. Open this guy up. Well, this one's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. This here. So right here we have Scarlet Red. This is Plastisol ink. So like I mentioned, there's two types of. Let me open this one up. There's two types of inks in screen printing. One of them is Plastisol ink. Plastisol ink, and the other one is water-based. Ooh. Okay, so Plastisol ink. This is Scarlet Red Plastisol ink, and this is pitch black water-based. So there's different types of paint for screen printing, and these are the ones I got: Plastisol ink and water-based. What's this? And this is white Plastisol ink. So currently I'll be able to do designs that are either red, black, or white. Right here we have water-based premium palette adhesive. So whenever you put the shirt on the press, packing nuts, anyone? Anyone need packing peanuts? So when you have your screen printing press, there's going to be a palette where you put your shirt. You add some of this. A little. It's kind of like glue. You kind of put it on the palette, put the shirt, so the shirt will not lift up or move when you're doing your screen printing. All right, this is Plastisol screen wash. So this is going to help the paint get removed from the screens, from the mesh screens. So if you're using water-based, you can wash it off with water. If you're using Plastisol ink, you cannot just remove it with water. You need this here, the Plastisol screen wash. So we're going to be using Plastisol ink. It's very important for you to get this as well. Okay, so now I have the big package, and then I have the other big package. I'm going to be opening up the last one here for today. So this is the screen. You don't want to come out. Let's try something out. That's why we're okay. Perfect. Alright, so let me undo one here real quick. Just for you guys, I'll cut it open and show you what it does. What it do. Okay, so this is the screen. This is where you burn your image onto. Once you burn the image, then you could put it on the shirt. I'll show you guys all of that steps once I'm ready and I actually have all of this set up in my garage. So this is the unboxing video. The next video is going to be me setting this whole thing up and actually putting it in the garage where I can start doing my first screen printing shirt. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And you guys have a great day.